All right, you have successfully navigated through the D2L classroom. You've orientated yourself to the layout. You've clicked on all of the important documents. You've printed them. You have enrolled in my math lab, and now you're ready to start learning the material for this course. How do you do that? There are a couple of different ways. One is to watch the videos provided by the publisher. And again, you do that by clicking into my math lab. I've got a video in this link to show you around in the My Math Lab software. But let's say you want to use stuff that I've provided. So for the midterm, I've got these folders or checklists rather. There's two sections that you're supposed to learn before you take quiz 1. A word of warning, I have not recorded material specifically for Math 1325. I haven't taught it face-to-face since I've been doing recordings, but I have posted my videos for Cal 1. The big difference between Math 1325 and Cal 1 is that Cal 1 uses trig, and you guys don't. So anytime you see anything with trig, you have my permission to just X that out. Trig being anything with sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, cotangent. Ignore all of those problems. So I have provided blank lecture notes if you want to print those out, and you can watch my lecture videos from Cal 1. Like I said, the topics in Cal 1 in this class are real similar. And I've also tried to provide additional resources from other websites, from other YouTube channels, if you want to get a different perspective. But each section is I'm going to give you notes and then videos if you want to watch them. So once you do that, check it off and come back. Quiz 1 in my math lab. This is the link to get you to my math lab after you've registered. And then I've included a hard copy sample quiz, the answers to a sample quiz, and a video of me working that quiz out. So all 9 quizzes, I provide this to you. Your quiz in my math lab is going to be very similar. It's probably just going to have different numbers. So this is a good place to start. Remember that each of the quizzes you can take up to 3 times. I only see your highest attempt. And let's see, after you take it the first time, if you don't get the score that you want, you can go review and see what you did wrong. Then I would kind of go back and fix that mistake before I took it again. And you do have 3 attempts at each quiz. All right, back to the folder. So you've done all of these sections and you've taken all 4 of the first quizzes. Now it's time to get to the midterm review. I give you a hard copy here, so go ahead and print that out. And then I give you the answers to the odd problems and a video of me working all of those odd problems out. I encourage you to work out the odd and even problems on the midterm review. If you have questions, you're more than welcome to post them, talk to your classmates, talk to me. But I do provide a pretty extensive midterm review. And then once the the midterm exam opens on December 27th, I give you information about it here. You do need to download the Respondus Lockdown browser. I'm not going to read this to you. You can read it yourself. Whenever you're getting ready to take it, you can have your calculator, the blank formula sheet that we talked about earlier, a writing utensil, and blank paper. You're going to have to scan your environment and show me all of these things to make sure that you're being honest. After you take the test, you're going to have to upload your written work. That's why you had to have a scanner of some sort. You can use an app on your phone, but I need 1 PDF file uploaded in the assignment Dropbox. Okay, you have 10 minutes after you submit your exam to get your work scanned and uploaded. And just some things to remember, the whole thing about integrity. You are the one taking the test. If I suspect cheating, I will take appropriate action. Okay, you're going to have the access to the midterm right here. It's all in D2L. Once December, I need to change that to December 27th. No, what date is that? Yes, the 27th. I will change that in just a moment. But December 27th, you'll get to start your midterm exam, and then here's where you will upload your written work. And that's it. That's what you need to do. There's the material on the midterm and then the material on the final. And one last time, everything is due at noon on January 7th. So you will have from the 20th until the 7th to get everything finished.